Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you the computer parts that I'm going to use to assemble my computer. The first part is the Mini ITX Tower InWin BP655. It comes with 300 watt power supply. The dimension is only 13 by 10.5 by 4 inch, which is the size that I like. So that's why I select this case for my computer. So for the motherboard, I will be using Gigabyte Z270N Wi-Fi. So when you select your motherboard, you have to make sure that it would fit in your case. So as a processor, I will be using Intel Core i7-7700. I will use a Noctua fan as my cooler. And I'm gonna be using a Western Digital solid state drive as my hard drive, 500 gigabytes. For the RAM, I'm going to be using Crucial 2x 16 gigabyte RAM. And of course, the software, I will just be using Windows 10. And I also need an adapter in order to put my solid state drive 2.5 inch into 3.5 inch bay in the case. And when you assemble your computer, I suggest that you find a ground box because you need to ground yourself. Otherwise, you can fry some of the parts, such as a processor, from the static. So make sure you ground yourself, and of course a static band.